welcome back to my channel. It's Boss Lady, and y'all, today we are getting ready to do something to this head. Y'all, do you see this? So I'm in between getting a relaxer and doing a protective style. So I decided, you know what? Let me just go ahead and do me a quick protective style. So I am going to do me some passion twists. I have been seeing these, but I had been seeing the regular size and the jumbo passion twist, but I wanted the skinny passion twist. So I went to, I think I ordered these from samsbeauty.com and got me some of the Lulutress skinny passion twist 12-inch. It's about to be summer and I did not want them to be too long. So normally I try to do 16 to 18 inches, but for some reason in the color that I wanted, I could only find, I think it was 24 inches. It was either 24 inches in the skinny, and they had the 18 in the regular, but since I wanted the skinny, I had to go with the 12-inch. I would have preferred 14 or 16, but we're gonna see. Here on the model, it seems to fall pretty like a good length, like shoulder length. So that's what I'm hoping for. But then I also see on here that it says kid and teen friendly, and I don't want it to be too short. So we're going to see. Anywho, that's what your girl is about to do. I am going to get ready to plait my hair down. Well, braid it down. I don't know which braid pattern I want to go with. Normally I would do 14 across and 7 straight back, but I think I'm just going to kind of mix it up. We're going to see. We're going to see. Yeah, I think I'm just going, I don't know. I really don't want to do 14 across. I might do 12 across and 6 in the back. I'm going to see. However, whichever. Y'all sit back and relax and enjoy the video. I don't think it's going to be too much like a tutorial. I don't think so. We'll see. Kind of just like a DIY. Yeah, DIY. No tutorial. But I might be able to add some steps in. We'll see. All right, y'all. See you in a minute. Y'all, so I have completed my braids. I got my set it off braids going off, y'all. For some reason, when I'm braiding my own hair, my arms get so tired. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 going straight across and 6 or 7 in the back. As y'all can see, I got kind of lazy over on this side because they are much bigger than these over here. But whenever I wear my crochet, I either wear it this way, falling this way, majority of it, and then apart on this side, so I try to make sure this side is as neat as possible. And then if I'm ever going to wear it down in the middle, I'll do it that way. These are kind of short, so I don't think I'll be able to wear it up in a ponytail, so that's why I wasn't really worried about this side. And the back, let me show y'all the back. Now don't y'all laugh at my braids in the back or my hairline in the back, okay? We are recovering. Remember that. Let's see if I can show y'all. Can you see the back? I gotta put some edge control on it and gel it up or whatever. So I'm going to use my oil that I use in my hair and go ahead and oil my scalp. I use this every other day. Yeah, I love this oil. It's literally a healing oil. Baby boy bust his lip. I put it on his lip. He had a scab the next day. And boss man had cut his finger working on the food truck, and I put some on it. He had a scab. I mean, it works wonders. When I had I was cutting my toenails and I cut too much, so my toenail was real messed up. Like, so yeah, so now we're about to crochet this. Hey y'all, I'm back. So as you can see, it has been days since I first started this hairstyle. Y'all, I started, stopped, and I think it's because originally I stopped to go help boss man finish building our chicken coop. And then along the way, it seemed like the hairstyle, it just wasn't giving me what I needed it to give. So I stopped, and then I was like, boss lady, either finish your hair or take it down. So we are going to finish it. This is the Skinny Passion Twist. And then I even went to a hair store, a local hair store, to see if they carried this, and they don't carry it. They did carry something called Bomb Twist, but it was different from this. Like, the concept was the same, but it wasn't really the same. So I'm trying to figure this thing out. I am at the top, so I just got a little bit to go. So far, the hair is very light, but it's giving me mixed vibes. I don't know how I feel about it. So we're gonna finish it and see. All right, I'm back. I had to go get my gifts from my husband. So I had been looking at this fitness tracker. I got a smartwatch, but I did not want to use my smartwatch while I was exercising and riding my bike. So I had it in the cart on Amazon just so that I can go back and see it whenever I get ready to buy it. And I had been looking for this edge control. Can y'all see it? I saw somebody with it. I can't remember the channel. It's a lady. She has a wig channel. And she was saying that this was really good. Y'all, I had been looking for this, right? So I had screenshotted it and forgot all about it. But then when I went to the hair store the other day, I saw it and it was like triple the price of online. Y'all, and my husband ordered it. I guess he saw me looking at it and ordered it. He's so sweet. All right, let's finish this. Alright you guys, so this is the finished product of this style. This is the Lulutress Skinny Passion Twist 1B30 7 packs. I finally finished it and I like it. It's finally giving me what I needed it to have given me the other day. So yeah, this is the final look. Pretty nice. This is my first time having passion twist, so it had to wear on me a little bit, but I like it. It's nice. And it's not too long. Let me show y'all the back. It's not super long, so it is kid and teen friendly. And it is very light. I love that it's light. So yeah, this is it. And I used 7 packs. I had about 9 or 10 strands left, so I can always go back in and fill in any areas that I feel that needs it. But yeah, y'all, this is it. It could be a really quick style, unless you like me and you building a chicken coop and all this and that. But yeah, this is it. I like it. Love the color, love the weight, the lightness of the style. So yeah, y'all, try it out. And if you try it out, let me know. Tag me in a picture or something. Again, this is the Lulutress Skinny Passion Twist. Now, I don't know if they sell this in store because I went to a couple hair stores and they did not have it. They had Bomb Twist, which is almost, like I said earlier, the same concept, just a little different. But I have yet to see the Skinny Passion Twist in store. I ordered this from samsbeauty.com and it came in like 2 or 3 days. So yeah. All right, y'all, this is it. If you like the vibe, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're one of my people, thanks again. Come again and bring a friend, and I will see y'all later. Bye.